SqwaQ is the secure communication network that allows commercial drones to fly thousands of routine missions every day, not just beyond line of sight, but beyond borders. A big problem for drones today is that they use a Wi-Fi connection for pilot control and video. That's only good for about a mile before the signal's lost, and there's no backup when that happens. Satellites have unlimited range, but the equipment's heavy, and it costs over $1,000 an hour to use, so only the most expensive military drones can afford them. A 4G cellular network has unlimited range, but it doesn't provide enough bandwidth to safely operate a drone, and like Wi-Fi, there's no backup when a connection's lost. In a few years, we'll have 5G phones, but this technology won't work for drones either. Unlike 4G, the 5G antennas have to point down toward the ground to work properly. So a 5G signal doesn't reach drones in the air. The SqwaQbox solves these problems by bonding multiple 4G connections together into one fat data pipe that can support lots of cameras and sensors at the same time. Then everything is prioritized, encrypted, and scrambled. It also provides collision detection to all aircraft on the network, so traffic can be automatically managed. This will allow drone pilots to fly more missions every day, safer and farther than ever. But SqwaQ is really an IoT and data communications company. With 4 patents already issued or pending, big companies are lining up to partner with SqwaQ. Through partners like these, SqwaQ can provision bandwidth on over 600 global networks to meet each customer's needs. We can assign 12 data connections to a single carrier or use multiple networks simultaneously. Over 1 million consumer drones and over 100,000 commercial drones are sold every year. They're in the headlines every day, and the market's growing fast. SqwaQ's technology will drive that growth even farther. Not just beyond line of sight, but beyond borders.